Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to another deep dive into the wonders of biology. Today I'm diving into one of the most fascinating questions in biology. Are viruses alive? This question has intrigued scientists and sparked debates for decades. It's a question that has puzzled scientists for decades, and I'm here to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. So let's embark on this journey together. First off, let's get one thing straight. Viruses are weird. They don't fit into the neat categories we've created for other forms of life. They're not plants, they're not animals, and they're not bacteria. So, what are they? This question alone opens up a Pandora's box of biological mysteries. Well, viruses are tiny infectious agents that can only replicate inside the living cells of an organism. They're like biological hitchhikers, needing a host to carry out their life processes. Imagine them as little genetic ninjas that sneak into your cells and hijack their machinery to make more copies of themselves. It's a stealthy and efficient process. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds pretty alive to me. They replicate, they invade, they spread. But hold on, it's not that simple. There's more to being alive than just replicating. To be considered alive, something generally needs to meet a few criteria. It should be able to grow, reproduce, respond to stimuli, and maintain homeostasis. These are the hallmarks of life as we understand it. Viruses only tick some of these boxes. They're like the rebels of the biological world, following their own set of rules. They reproduce, sure, but only inside a host cell. They can't do it on their own. They don't grow, they don't maintain homeostasis, and they don't respond to stimuli in the way living organisms do. Outside a host, they're pretty much inert, like tiny bits of biological code waiting to be activated. Outside a host, they're pretty much inert, like tiny bits of biological code waiting to be activated. So, are they alive? This is where the debate gets interesting. The answer is kind of. It's not a clear-cut yes or no. Viruses exist in a grey area between life and non-life. They blur the lines and challenge our definitions. They don't fit neatly into our conventional definitions of living organisms, but they're definitely more dynamic than, say, a rock. They're like the enigmatic middle ground. To add more spice to the debate, some scientists argue that viruses are a crucial part of the web of life. They're not just freeloaders, they have roles to play. They play a role in regulating ecosystems, driving evolution, and even in the development of human immune systems. They're like the unsung heroes of the biological world, so in a way they're essential to life as we know it. They're like the hidden architects of our biological landscape. In the end, whether you consider viruses alive or not might depend on how you define life itself. It's a philosophical as well as a scientific question. It's one of those questions that challenges our understanding and keeps us curious. So, what's your take? Do you think viruses are alive? Do you think viruses are alive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations. Your support helps us bring more fascinating content to you. Until next time, stay curious, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep that sense of wonder alive.